Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and with Easter right around the corner, I thought it would be really cool if I shared with you a Easter favorite idea. This is really easy to make and especially easy to make with kids. So if you guys love Easter and love passing out favors, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So this recipe is super easy. All you're gonna need is some butter, some Fruity Pebbles, the cereal, a little bag of marshmallows, and some Easter eggs, the plastic Easter eggs. I got mine from the Dollar Tree. They're really easy to find, especially during Easter. And honestly, you can also just eyeball and shape out the eggs on your own, or just make them into squares. Either way, they'll taste delicious. So first things first, add about 4 tablespoons of butter, wait for it to melt in a big pot. After it's completely melted, you add in the marshmallows. I use the vegan marshmallows that you can get from Trader Joe's, the small size, but you can use the big size too. You just have to wait a little bit longer so that it's completely melted. After it's melted, that is when you add 6 cups of some Fruity Pebbles. And then once you add the Fruity Pebbles, you just have to make sure it's nice and mixed. Once your Fruity Pebbles is mixed around very well with the marshmallow, you take a little bunch at a time and you put it in the egg. Now you can spray the inside of the egg with some oil, but not really necessary. I found that it works either way. You just put a little bit of the mixture in the egg, make sure that it closes, and that is it. You wait for it to cool down, and it's very easy to just open and close. And I thought this was so incredibly cute. I put it in a little basket with some colored confetti that I also got from the dollar store, and it was really pretty decor. Not only that, it tasted absolutely delicious. I mean, not the healthiest, of course, because all it is just some very sugary cereal and marshmallow, more sugar, but it's cute. It's the holidays, so why not splurge a little? So anyways, that is it. All right, there you guys go. That is my very easy Easter day favor idea. I love these types of favors, ones that are very easy to make, especially if you have kids around. This is super easy to make. All you need is a few ingredients and you can get them involved, get them in the kitchen, and get them doing something active. So if you guys love favors, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.